Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you guys how to make the perfect white rice. Okay, so to this pot I added 2 cups of Jasmine rice, and I am going to wash it until the water is clear. Go ahead and wash our rice. Again, you're going to wash until the water is nice and clear. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. So again, this is 2 cups of rice, Jasmine rice. Okay, perfect. Okay, dry the bottom of my pot. Okay, so to this we're gonna add 2 cups of water. And this is my okay, so we add the 2 cups of water. See where that 2 cups of water is. So you know you're gonna need a little bit more. So we're gonna add another cup to make it total 3 cups of water. There we go. Perfect. So you want to, when you add your water, it's, you know, about, people use their finger to measure. So right where your pinky finger, where that first mark is on your pinky finger, is where the water is supposed to reach. I really don't do that. I just measure with the cup and just eyeball it from there, right? All right, so I'm gonna move this to my stove. And here we go. So now I'm going to turn on my stove, and I have it on high until it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, then I'll turn it down to medium, and I'll keep reducing each time as the water subsides. Okay, so to this I am going to add a teaspoon of butter. Okay, a teaspoon of butter. To that, I am also going to add a teaspoon of salt, and again, taste it just to make sure that you're not putting too much salt. I like to taste mine once it starts boiling. I like to taste it a little to make sure I have enough salt and not too salty. Alrighty, so we are going to let this start boiling, and then I'm gonna cover it and then reduce the fire under it to about between medium and low, and just let it sit there and simmer for the rest of the time. But again, you gotta let it start boiling first. Okay, my stove is on high. So I'm going to cover it, and then I am going to come back and show you guys once it's done. Okay, so again, this. Okay guys, so welcome back. My rice is finished cooking, and I went ahead and I turned the stove off, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like here. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this on a plate along with my stew peas, and I'm gonna come right back and show you once I put it on that plate. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here we go. I went ahead and I plated my stew peas and rice. As you can see, it smells so delicious, so yummy. That flavor is just smelling so good right now. Okay guys, so there we go. Alright, thanks again guys for watching. It's always a pleasure. Again, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so when I upload a new video you will be notified. Thank you again for watching. Take care.